how to contact Surfshark. Now contacting Surfshark is actually fairly simple. Now you can try to contact them officially from the app, so don't go to any website or third-party links, because chances are there might be many scam call centers waiting for you to misdial the number and hopefully call them. So always open the official Surfshark VPN app. From the in-app settings, you can go to the settings app from the bottom right. There you can find an option that says Get Help, so tap on the Get Help button. From the Get Help section, again you can see Get Help Now. Tap on it. Then after you've done that, you will take you to the help page now on the website directly. So this is their official website, so there's nothing to worry about. Scroll down here, it says can't find what you need. So we can either submit a request via email, or we can directly chat with a live representative. So just tap on the chat with us button. Now here at the first it might be a bot, right? But if you actually just request this bot to give you a live representative, which means like you can contact them for what kind of issues you're having, whether you want a refund or recurring payment or cancel the subscription, whatever else it is, or maybe even close your account, it should be able to help you with it. But to give you an idea, this is just how you can go ahead and then contact Surfshark. I hope this video pretty much helped it for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you in the next video.